Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create some folders with the today's date on them. So first of all, what we've got to do, we've got to import this module here from datetime, import date. If you don't already have this on your system, then you need to install it. Sorry. The cough there. First of all, what we do is we create a folder. This is the function called create folders, and we use an error handler here. So we start off with try, and then we create a variable called path here, and I've assigned my path as my desktop and this folder here called D. Then we use os.chdr path, so we change into that path. Then to finish off the error handler, we use the accept exception as E, and then we format the string using the print command and the format command. We insert the E there, and a little message occurred. So if there's an error, it will insert that into here and tell us exactly what error occurred, and then we quit the program. So let's just run it. Let's just cause it a little bit of a problem. Okay, just save that. Let's run it, see if the error handler works. So there we go. The system cannot find the path specified. So occurred. Okay, so there we go. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to come on to the next part of the program, and we're going to create a variable called today, and we're going to assign that to date.today. Okay. I'm going to create another variable called dir name equal to today dot strf time. So we're going to format that string time there, and we've got a special formatting option here. So this is going to be simply for the year, month, and the date there. Okay, so we're going to create another little error handler here called try, and this is where we create our folders. So we use a for loop here for D in range. So we want to know how many folders we want to create, and I'm just going to say 5. So I'm going to create 5 folders there. And then I'm going to do a time dot sleep. I'm going to give it a pause of 1 second. Make sure you've got the time module imported there. So that time.sleep is going to give it a pause for 1 second. And then we do the os command. So os.mkdir, which is make directory. Made a little bit of a mistake there. Whoops. You also need to import the OS module for this, obviously. And again, we're going to format the string like this. And I'm going to put the D in there. And then dir name here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to print out to the user using format string again, D, which will be the directory created. And we're going to finish off the error handler here. with except exception as E. Print if there's an error. Just format the string E occurred. Okay, and at the bottom what we do is we use the create folders here to call the program. So let's have a look. So let's run this. Okay guys, before we go on, I've actually forgot to do something here. So what we've got here, I forgot to interpolate the dir name here, which would give the date and everything when the folder was created. So now I've interpolated it into os.make directory here. So that should be all right now. So let's just try that. Let's just run it. Okay, folders being created there. So let's go and have, okay, we've got D, and there we go, we've got them with the date on them, 3/26 of the 1st, there we go. So there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.